Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make cupcakes. First, let's get organized. Before you start, gather all your ingredients and tools. This makes the baking process much smoother and more enjoyable. Remember to preheat your oven to the temperature specified in your recipe. Also, prepare your muffin tin by placing paper liners in each cup. This simple preparation ensures a successful and easy baking experience. Now, let's mix that delicious batter. Start by combining your dry ingredients like flour and baking powder in one bowl. In another, cream together your butter and sugar until it's wonderfully light and fluffy. Then, gradually add your dry and wet ingredients, alternating between them to the creamed mixture. Be careful not to overmix. Just combine until smooth for tender cupcakes. It's time to bake. Carefully fill each cupcake liner about 2/3 full with your prepared batter. This ensures they bake evenly and don't overflow. Place the muffin tin into your preheated oven and bake for the recommended time, usually between 18 to 22 minutes. Once baked, let them cool in the tin for a few minutes, then transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. Patience here is key. The best part, frosting and decorating. Make sure your cupcakes are entirely cool before you even think about frosting them, otherwise it will melt. You can use a piping bag for a professional look or simply an offset spatula for a rustic charm. Get creative with your decorations. Add colorful sprinkles, edible glitter, or any other fun toppings to make your cupcakes truly special and delicious.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.